Hey! Hi everyone! Good morning! Yeah, I'm finally picking up the camera again. Na-miss ko to. Dami na ring, naging changes for the past 2 years. Talagang zero social media postings or update. Naman zero. Pero like very minimal. So yun, spend the day with sanay ako dito nakatingin. Bago kasi itong camera, guys. So, pinush ako ni Papa bumili ng, kasi parang I'm being called to vlog again. So parang one way of pushing me is in-encourage niya akong bumili ng DJI gulo ng cord. Ayan, guys. Kaya I'm still getting used to it. I've been a phone vlogger for ever since na nag-start ako mag-vlog for fun. Kaya ayun, so to start our day, naligo kasi ako kasi I had a meeting with a potential client. Actually, client na pala siya. And hindi pa ako nakapag-skincare kaya medyo dry yung skin ko. Tapos, tutulungan natin si Papa sa baba mag-prepare ng food for the day. Si Yana and Mia are still sleeping. Ayan. So, 3-step lang naman tayo sa morning. Toner, moisturizer, mamaya, paglalabas tayo, magsa-sunblock tayo. And, itong peptide skin booster. Ayan. And then, tint. Still, KJM. And then, saan na yung cotton buds? Here. And, we're good. We're ready to be a kitchen assistant. Let's go. Happy Saturday! Today is Saturday. It's 7:24 in the morning. And, prepare na kami ng food. Say good morning, Papi!
Good morning, Papi!
Ang request ko kay Papa ay breaded pork chop in curry sauce. Meron tayong na-discover na super panalo na. Ay, sorry, Simba. Good morning! Pasensya na. Good morning. Babi! Ayaw mo ba ng belly rub? Sige na, pwesto na. Pwesto na. Boink.
Yung breadcrumbs, lagay mo dun sa blue.
Where?
Push mo dun sa blue.
Sang blue? Itong lalagyanan ng pagkain ni Simba?
Kung dyan ka kakain naman.
Breadcrumbs dito. Wait, so dito ko ba gagawin?
Yan, sa blue yan. Nakita mo yung blue?
Oo. Actually, yellow and blue. Okay.
Sumagot sa yellow. Breadcrumbs.
Oo. Okay. I am Papa's assistant today. Pa-practice ulit tayo mag-vlog, guys. Breadcrumbs. Papi, how much? Kalahati ng breadcrumbs or kalahati ng blue? Ganun, parang buttery yung smell niya. Ganito ba tayo yung amoy nito? Mabango pala to. Ha? Wait lang, tignan ko na expiration. Mabango kasi. Wow. September 2025. Okay. Kalahatiin ko. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ako nag-start.
panalo ko dun sa baka.
Kailan ka magpabaka?
Yung baka nung
For today din. So, leftover day.
mamayang gabi. Bibili na lang ako ng bigas mamaya.
Pabinigay naman naman ng salt yun lang.
Yun eh.
Yung pork chop. Yung timpla mo.
Yun, meron siya.
Ito lang may lettuce. May kahalo talaga siyang baka. So, pag mag-grocery, kailangan natin ng hand wash. Lettuce. Romaine. Parang mas magaling mga ganito, no? Parang mas madali siyang lugasan.
Romaine. Focus mo na ako upang harvest ko. Napansin.
Matagal kaya yan? Okay lang kaya yan yung ganyan? Yung na parang nakasanbay siya.
Puno uli yung battery mo ngayon.
Hindi kasi kinabit ko yun eh, kasi ginamit ko yung stand.
Oh. Matagal yan. Another 4 hours ata.
Oh, that's good. Mamaya turuan mo ko lang mag-CapCut. So may tatry akong editor. CapCut siya. Kasi I've been using KineMaster for vlog editing. Sa phone lang talaga ako nag-edit. So ngayon gusto ko i-try mag-edit sa laptop. And parang chinek ko na si KineMaster eh. Maganda kasi may mga, ang ganda doon ng mga sound, yung mga trend sound. Nandun na. Kasi kay KineMaster, parang hindi kilala yung mga sound. Tapos pag may gusto kang music for the vlog, ano siya, ida-download mo pa. At grabe, sobra yung process na kinakat ko pa siya. Ganyan. Grabe. Pero buti nga naalala ko pa yung process.
Speed.
Food is ready! Pork katsu ni Papa. Sarap yan guys. Favorite ko yan. Kaso hindi niya nagawa yung curry sauce request ko for today.
Walang paglulutuan.
Yeah, kasi kulang na kami ng pan. Kaya gumawa na lang siya ng ano to pa?
Katsu sauce.
Katsu sauce. Tapos ito guys, grabe kasi na-discover namin to dun sa isa sa mga paborito namin kainan dito. Ano tawag dito, Pi? Mustard. Para siyang wasabi, pero mas gusto ko tong mustard.
Galing sa Japan.
Oo, tapos nung nagpunta kami ng Japan, nag-hoard kami nito. Last na to, no? Sakto pala, bibili na ulit tayo. Sarap niyan, guys. So, ipapartner natin yan. Meron akong boiled egg. Nagtuto boiled egg ako every morning. Tapos, may greens tayo. Ayan. Saan ko to lagay, Pi? Tapos, nagluto si Papa na instead of rice, magra-ramyun tayo. Bakit nga pala ramyun pa?
Yan yung meron. Wala na tayong rice.
Ah, oo nga pala. Wala na palang bigas. Okay.
Kakaubos lang.
How about si Simba? Kakain ka na, Baba? It's been, boop. Boop. Parang naninibago pa ako dito kasi parang ganyan yung view pero kailangan i-down ko. Ay, sorry. Up, down. Yan. Di ba ba? Simba. May bagong trick si Simba. Simba, go here. Ang galing ah. Hi, ate. Good morning. Oh, hiya.
But how many days have we been eating Japanese food?
Good morning.
Good morning ulit.
Say good morning to the vlog. No, for the kids.
Morning.
Morning. Here are my kids. Yana and Mia. Wow.
So awkward.
You should remove that.
Okay. Let's eat.
Did we have to?
Oh, not yet. We'll get there. Why pa? No, dito ka sa tabi ko lang. Tapos, look at the feast. Okay. Ay, ba't ganun? Pag binababa ko, gimbal lock disabled. Okay. Katsu, we have green, ramyun, egg. Hindi ko pa na-discover pa ni zoom in, zoom out. Pero parang dito daw yun.
Yan, ako. Try.
Basta
Stop mo
dito
muna.
siya somewhere. Tapos katsu, lettuce. Patikim ako love ng katsu sauce mo. Hindi na ako nag-serving spoon. Parang iba yung katsu sauce mo ngayon.
Yeah.
Katsu is good. Mustard and ano naman. I like this more. Ah.
Combination.
Yan, masarap yan.
I don't want to. I would rather just stay in bed and study. And I realized time will pass, and it's rather you would do this choice or this choice in that time.
Yes. And then once that time passed already, like you'll regret not taking.
That chance.
Yes.
But I was so tired earlier, so I just stayed up and I just stayed on my bed until it's 8.
So the motivational talk to yourself did not work.
I was about to get up, but Mia was beside me.
Huh? When did she transfer?
Before we slept last night.
Good thing you allowed her.
I asked her to be beside me.
So you're the clingy one. Mia's so precious, no? She's cute. Ate, her hair is so beautiful. And you know her so well. Yeah. She's like very happy lang with her hair with one look. Ate! Like, and then you gave her a specific rule not to wash the hair.
You know, we tried so well. You know, that's what I like about watching videos in K-pop. Mia finds it weird, but I find their friendship really nice. Like, there's this friend that they're born the same year, two of them, and they look exactly the same. So people are calling them twins. And then
Is it the
really-
guys?
Yeah. And then when it relates to real life, I really like it. It's like fantasy. I really like fantasy like yeah, it's so cute that Mia doesn't follow my rules.
She just do what makes her happy. So who's gonna go first?
I'm character too.
No kissy, no kita.
Mama, clean si Simba.
Let's just give her the bed para mag-sleep na siya. Bobby? You want here ba? Huwag ka na kulit kay ate. Sige na, sleep ka na dyan.
That's the reason, you know what's the reason I don't want her to be beside me? Only cooking and I have no space. It's taking all the space. But we're gonna bed now. No. Why are you so obsessed with me? Whoa, wanna know? Why are you so obsessed with me? Whoa.
Someone's knocking.
Attention. I'll check the window.
Who's there?
I know peace with Simba.
Alert! Nakakatulog ka na?
Hindi nga, hindi ako makatulog.
Hello? Since yesterday?
Hindi, naglampa ako ng gabi. Pero,
Simba,
oras lang
mabait ka
yan.
na.
Gabi ako matulog. Gawa niyo. Ay, nag-aaral kayo?
Snacking here in D-Mall. What did you get, my love?
Fish cake with spicy sauce.
Wow, fish cake with spicy sauce. How about you, ate? Tokboki. Love, open daw, love.
Side.
Be, anak, hindi ganyan, di ba? Side, yan. Watch Yana and Mia's mukbang show. Okay, isang subo pa lang, inom na. Let's see how she'll survive.
Can we eat in peace?
Ha? Peace. A peace.
Apis.
Bagay ba? May bago kang lipstick na dumating.
Try mo nga yung akin, ma, para masubukan natin yung front camera.
Ano to? May shadow ba yan? O may mustache ako, love? Love, tignan mo muna ako. May mustache ba? Yung lips ko. Shadow ba yan?